Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a Jaguar XE and we're going to go over how you would change your battery. An example of how you change your battery if your battery is dead. So if your battery is dead and you're not able to get the trunk open, there are two ways to get your trunk open. One, you'll have to manually get into the vehicle using your manual key, and then to be able to unlock the driver's door. And then that way you can also get into popping the hood, and where you would jump start the engine, you can put some power to that, and then that way you'll have enough power to hit the trunk popper or to hit this button to undo the trunk. Now, if none of those are a valid option, there's one other option, and that is you still use the manual key to get into the driver's door. Then you have to crawl to the back, and that back seat we need to show you. So you would come in from the front, and we have the back seat, and if we reach up right here, there is a latch that we can pull to pull this seat down. And then you see the glow-in-the-dark handle there. That is for if you get stuck in the trunk, and that's how we're going to. So if we can pull it and we can open the trunk. So now that we have the trunk open, we need to remove this cover, and you'll want to take the spare tire out, spinning the knob until it's free, because this mounts to a bracket on top of the battery. And then we remove the spare tire, and then with the spare tire removed, we now have access to the battery. So we're going to disconnect the negative cable first. And we undo that. And then we'll undo the positive cable. It's also just a 10mm. We just need to loosen the bolt enough that the clamp is free. And then we should be able to pull up on the clamp and remove that. Now, we have 3 bolts that need to be loosened or removed. 1 here and 2 down here. And these all work as a clamp and a lock that hold the battery in place. And they are size 13. So we've got those all removed and loosened. Now you'll be able to pick up the bracket. We pull it backwards and out of the way. And now we can pull the battery up. To remove it out of the trunk. So we have our new battery, or a good used one. We put that in. Like I said, this is an example of how to replace it. Our battery is still good. We'll put our packing material back in to hold our battery in the position. You'll take the clamp bracket place it on the bolts on the bottom, and there's a channel there that's locking into the battery, and so then we can put the 2 bolts here. One bolt up top here, Alright, now with those tightened up, now we can connect the battery cables back up. We'll go with the positive one first. Tighten that up. You also want to make sure that you reconnect your battery overflow pipe, which if there's any excess battery fluid that needs to go, it discharges it on the ground instead of in your trunk. And we'll put our cover back over our positive there. That is just for the spare tire to sit on. And then we've gone and we'll go ahead and reconnect our negative up. And we'll tighten that. And with that tightened in place, that is how you would change your battery in your Jaguar. Put your spare tire back in, put the cover back on, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.